Capstone project, our team have decided to focus on United Nations Sustainability Goals 7 and 13. In our group of 7, we have expertise from many majors, including marketing, accounting, finance, international business, and management. We've decided to create a non-profit organization called Solar Revolution that supplies solar tiles to provide an alternative to current practices for clean and affordable energy. As a team, early on, we agreed on a clear goal to complete this project collaboratively and to the best of our abilities. Through open communication, teamwork, and constant assistance, we were able to achieve this goal successfully. As a team, one of our best attributes was our ability to openly communicate with each other. Using Messenger, Zoom, and Google Docs made this possible. This is also reflected in the workplace as communication is key. Especially in the current climate of COVID-19, it was great to experience having to work remotely firsthand with others, as this may be reality in my future. One thing I noticed about myself during this project was the importance of having soft skills. This increases employability immensely. Having knowledge of using Adobe Creative Suite is a skill I aim to improve on. When completing the agility tasks, none of our group members knew how to use this application. So we found an alternative, Canva, which was easy to use, and we were able to complete this task successfully. Improving my soft skills is not just limited to Adobe Creative Suite, but also Excel skills in any other Microsoft applications as well. As a team, we were quite resilient and were willing to take on initiative to help each other out with the assignment when needed. When it came to assigning tasks, individually we knew our strengths and we would volunteer to get them done. We had one group member take on the role as group leader. However, this was just to ensure that our deadlines were met. Having this freedom to complete tasks I enjoy and were good at made the whole process of completing this project more enjoyable. This attitude we had as a team will definitely be something I take along with me in the future with any group tasks I complete. Playing to my strengths and letting others play to theirs is an effective way for an effortless and harmonious group effort. By completing this capstone project, my biggest takeaway is not being afraid to put myself out there with my strengths and identifying them, but also to improve on my weaknesses as well. For example, with our internal deadlines as a group, I failed to meet a few of them. Improving on my time management skills is something I am looking forward to consistently working on, especially when it comes to the workplace. I wouldn't want to delay any projects or deadlines due to the lack of my time management skills. Some strengths I identified were my ability to think creatively as well as my communication skills. We deserve some praise for the professionalism and looks of our agility exercise, which I took lead on creating. I consistently will check up on my group members, whether in class, via Zoom, or on Messenger, to make sure everyone is on track and understanding the project. When I begin working in the workplace, I aim to take these skills along with me.
Hi, my name is Rafi Noori, and I'm in my final semester of my Bachelor of Commerce degree, majoring in management. Over the course of this semester, I have had the honor to have worked in a driven multidisciplinary team to achieve our United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Our biggest challenge, in my opinion, was the online learning environment, which proved to be a difficult task as the lack of physical interaction with the team has not allowed us to bond together as well as we would have had we been working in person. However, this did not stop us from delivering our project to tackle goals number 7 and 13. A new requirement of the workplace is the ability to collaborate and work remotely to achieve day-to-day tasks. I have utilized my management skills in order to coordinate the project from start to finish, using both my active listening and leadership skills to ensure that my fellow teammates were supported and encouraged by providing feedback and suggestions, ensuring our work is flawless. This unit has allowed me to learn by doing, delivering a project of our choosing to prospective buyers, which is similar to my future aspirations in project management. This is important for me because real-world experience is just as important as education, and having the privilege to combine both in this unit has benefited my understanding of agility and excellence in teamwork-based projects. The workplace environment is dynamic nowadays and requires agility to adapt and innovate by being proactive to change. This was possible through the coordination of the team to achieve their tasks as set out in our project brief. All members of the team demonstrated their skills in their specific disciplines to produce a required deliverable. What I get out of this unit is the ability to be an integral part of a team and produce value as required by our superiors, not unlike the workplace environment. The utilization of networking websites such as Portfolio and LinkedIn has allowed me to build great relationships with people in the industry and meet contacts very high up in the corporate world. Other uses of technology, such as Canva for the visuals and Google Docs for the team report, has further enhanced my ability to work together as part of a team, albeit remotely. Our counterparts in the Bachelor of Science have given us great feedback to go off for the strategy side of our projects, which has made us really shift our thinking and open our minds to possibilities we did not think of before. Following their feedback, we moved away from total roof tiles to sectioned roof tiles, which has allowed us to save money on installation costs and reduce waste, maximizing the solar energy created. Finally, this has led me to rethink our strategy and move away from the for-profit into a not-for-profit structure, as this allowed us to think sustainably without thinking about profits. Instead, we'd invest our profits into the development and donation of solar panels for disadvantaged communities, further emphasizing the importance of corporate social responsibility. This exposure that the unit has given me will be incorporated into my future professional and personal life because teamwork, communication, and sustainability are lifelong skills which can help shape our future world.
Hello everyone, my name is Zixuan Chen and I'm doing my Bachelor of Commerce degree majoring in accounting at Macquarie University, and I will graduate in a few months. So now I would like to use my e-portfolio to demonstrate my employability skills. In terms of practical skills, during my study experience in Accounting 301 and Accounting 3050 units, I have gained skills in investment analysis and financial forecasting, and I am able to use my knowledge of management accounting to plan and control the organization. In the group report of both units, I played a leadership role to lead the whole group to complete the report successfully and efficiently. And finally, we got the distinction in the Accounting 301 group reports. And the performance measurement methods learned in Accounting 301 contributed greatly to this capstone projects. And in this project, I used my critical thinking and professional knowledge to set up an innovative and sustainable balance scorecard to link corporate strategy with performance measurement systems to achieve a sustainable path for our company and to achieve the UN SDG of number 7 and 13. Unlike previous groups where the group members are from the same country, this group includes people from different backgrounds. Therefore, due to the language barrier at the beginning of the project, it is quite hard for me to talk. But gradually, I pack up my courage and express my idea and give some suggestions. So now I have gradually mastered how to communicate effectively with different people. And in this project, I have shown a strong sense of responsibility and team spirit. I will actively respond to every question and suggestion mentioned by the group members and complete the group tasks on time. And during the agility exercise process, the Bachelor of Science capstone students gave us very useful advice on our projects. As well as when we posted agility exercise to LinkedIn, many people commented and offered suggestions on our assignments. So I found that LinkedIn is a very good platform that can help me connect and communicate with others, especially those who are in the accounting industry. Also, Portfolio is a platform that can showcase my learning experience and skills and help me build my personal brand. Finally, I believe that my critical thinking, good communication skills, teamwork, professional knowledge, and other soft skills will help the team to produce efficiently and maintain a good relationship with the client in the future workplace. Therefore, I hope to further develop my skills and knowledge in accounting through the job. And I'm confident that I can enter the labor market with the skills and knowledge I have developed throughout my degree. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Yufei, and I am a current student who studies accounting major at Macquarie University. I am honored to present my teamwork skills improved from the agility exercise and how to apply my professional knowledge to the Capstone project on the MQBS3010 process. First of all, I will use the IPO framework proposed in class to explain how my teamwork ability has been improved in the process of the agility exercise and the Capstone project. In terms of the communication part, our team uses 3 main software, which are Google Document, Facebook Messenger, and Zoom Meeting. At the beginning of each task, we post questions about UNSDGS into the Google document. Next, we use Facebook Messenger and Zoom as our primary communication tools to brainstorm each question. At the end, we establish a great network and respect for each other. For the coordinator part, according to the requirements of the Capstone project, all teams establish a corresponding vertical business system in a coordinated way. This way supported our efficiency in the project collaboration. Next, we enhance the group's collaboration ability through the similar activities, such as icebreaker. In addition, the communication between our group and the other group gave us valuable feedback and made us realize the importance of the collaboration. In terms of the conflict management, in order to avoid time conflicts, we highlighted time management set deadlines for each task and asked each team member to complete it on time. To sum up, by combining the skills in the IPO framework with practical study, my teamwork ability has improved a lot. Therefore, this experience will help me perform better in my future careers team. In the second part, I will introduce how I improve my professional accounting skills in the Capstone project. In terms of the creative thinking, I designed a unique internal control system based on substantive strategy and the COSO framework. Consider the touched risk management for the interface to achieve USDGS goals 7 and 13. Next, based on the weakness of SWOT analysis, I design internal controls and substantive tests for the purchase and sales cycles, which are prone to inherent risk. At the end of my part, I critically analyze the importance of performance auditing for our company to achieve USDG goals, in combination with Australian and global auditing standards. In summary, these accounting skills will allow me to show my professional skills flexibility in my future work. Through the Capstone project, I believe that I can better analyze the enterprise risks, make effective risk control, and benefit from future career development. Thank you for your listening.
Hi, I'm Wang. I major in finance. During these years of study in Macquarie University, I have learned a lot about finance and also some knowledge of accounting, marketing, and statistics. As an international student, I have improved my language skills and my ability of teamwork in recent years. Besides, I also learned some operation of software such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. In MQBS3010, my partners from different majors are very nice and excellent. During the time we do the Capstone project, they all give me lots of support and help me a lot. In this presentation, I'm responsible for analyze the financial assets of the project. The statement of financial position gives a projection of what the project is able to acquire for the short and long-term project operations within the 5 years period. The assets acquired are environment friendly and will help reduce wastage and pollution. The main sources of revenue are cash and credit sales, while the operation costs are maintenance and insurance, create awareness and depreciation cost. If the FC, FE, and WACC model, we can get that the total FCFF discounted equals to $570.30. And this is a comparison of the analyzed returns of the project to the Australia GDP growth rate presentation. presented a bar graph. And this is a comparison of the analyzed returns of the project to the Australia GDP graph shown by a bar chart. The return 5% are greater than 1.255% GDP growth rate.
Hello, my name is Brooke Ellison, and I'm currently enrolled in a Bachelor of Commerce majoring in International Business. This course has provided me the opportunity to connect with colleagues and classmates to conceptualize and present a product that satisfies a United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. Throughout this project, I have been able to experience a new method of group work where the focus is on utilizing key skills and knowledge and bringing these together to connect and create a product. This has differed to my usual experiences in group work due to the variety of specific knowledge areas, whereas I am normally surrounded by group members of the same major to myself. This has allowed me to gain insight into our business functions as well as different theories, concepts, and methods of presenting these ideas. This has allowed me to grow as I was able to question and interact as well as draw connections and differences from my major and my own understanding with others and their areas of knowledge and functions, which gave me insight into how it is the connection and integration of these that can truly bring a product or project to life. The agility shock presented to us within the project caused difficulties in navigating and adapting to this shock. However, the encouraged use of LinkedIn helped me solidify my profile, thus increasing my employability, and encouraged myself to connect to other students within the unit by engaging with them on their profile in the form of feedback and questions. Through this exercise, my engagement was increased, my employability was solidified, and I was able to grow my interpersonal skills through the push to connect and interact with others. A challenge that presented itself throughout this assignment was attempting to connect with group members online and aligning schedules to conduct meetings. Time differences excelled this challenge as we had international members within our team, and therefore finding a time that worked for everyone was challenging, often resulting in compromise, sacrifices, and a reset of priorities. However, an up-to-date record and continual discussion throughout the project helped combat this and ensure this challenge was mitigated as best possible.
Hi, my name is Thomas Amir, and I am currently enrolled in a Bachelor of Commerce with a major of Marketing at Macquarie University. In this presentation, I'll be reflecting what I've learned throughout my degree, in particular during this unit, Agility and Excellence in Business. Whilst completing my Capstone unit over the last 4 months, I've learned a lot about teamwork through combining with students from all different majors and backgrounds to complete our Capstone project. Indeed, one major lesson I learned is that it is essential to learn how to communicate properly in order to be successful in today's modern business environment. At the beginning of the project, it was difficult to properly engage with my fellow teammates, as due to the lockdown, we were forced to enroll in this unit online. Being remotely located was initially difficult for communication. However, as a team, we overcame this through creating a Facebook Messenger group chat, where we would stay in constant contact with one another. Our project had the goal of completing the United Nations Sustainable Goals of number 7, which is affordable and clean energy, and number 13, which is climate action. We developed a business called Solar Revolution, with our product being roof tiles made out of solar panels to benefit our customers with solar energy. We positioned our brand as an environmentally friendly energy alternative, and we are also a non-for-profit organization as our profits were put towards charitable organizations. Upon self-reflection, I believe that this unit had undoubtedly led to the rapid development of my skills in communication, with students of different demographics. At the start of the course, I was a little nervous and shy to engage with people I had never met before in person. However, through the regular Zoom meetings and Facebook conference calls, I definitely became less nervous, as did my teammates. This is a skill which will help me in my future career pursuit, as I am now confident in my ability to engage with any individual from any background. Another quality lesson I took from this course was from the guest speaker, Alejandro Ortiz. He emphasized that when undertaking job interviews, it is important just to be yourself and promote your natural strengths and qualities. This presentation gave me great confidence boost, as I was previously quite nervous to undertake stressful job interviews. These insights will also serve me great purpose as I go forward in my career in commerce and marketing. For our group conclusion, our Capstone project team have demonstrated great progression in helping achieve the United Nations Sustainable Goals number 7 and 13. Our group of 7 combined skills and expertise from majors such as marketing, management, international business, finance, and accounting. We have developed our communication skills as a team, and this project has helped us prepare. Our business, Solar Revolution, is helping in our goal to achieve clean and affordable energy solutions for consumers in Australia. Indeed, through frequent and open communication with each other, we were able to successfully finalize our project to the best of our ability. Thank you.